Alright, hi guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys configurations. So, this is an off-season CAD I was working on this off-season, and I actually use configurations for all four of these plates. So, this plate, this inside plate, this one, and also this one. So, if I open this part, and then so it usually opens this screen. So I'm going to click over to my configuration manager, and now you can see this is the part I clicked on when I opened. I clicked on this one, I think, and then I hit open part, and then it opened into this. So this is your configuration manager. This is where all your different configurations are stored. So for example, if I click this one, this is that one plate with my gear cover. Then you can see the opposite side of that. Then you can see the opposite side of this with the gear cover on it. So I'm going to actually start from scratch, and then we can see how to set up configurations. So I think I'm just going to make a box here, and then I'm going to smart dimension it so it's a cube. Alright, we got a basic box. So for example, if I wanted a hole in one part, but then in another part I didn't want a hole. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my configuration manager, and I'm going to go right click on this, and I'm going to say add configuration. So now we're going to name it, so box with hole. So now you can see, like in my other part, we have two different configurations now. We have this, the default, and we have box with hole. So you can see there's actually not a hole yet because we actually need to add it. So I'm just going to sketch here and put a hole. Can make it about, I don't know, an inch or 1/10 of an inch. So now we're actually going to go to cut extrude, and then we're going to hit check. So now this doesn't have a hole, then box with hole. So if you actually wanted to change this, we can go here, we can click on the cut extrude, then we can go to, where is it, configure feature. So this is just some random Solidworks error. So you can see here, if we wanted, for example, the box with a hole, like later on we'd be like, oh, I want to change this, I don't want a hole here, I want a hole somewhere else, but you don't want to delete the feature, you can hit suppress and apply, and then it'll go away. But if you want, for example, both of your configurations to have the hole, you just unsuppress it on both and then hit OK, and now both configurations have the hole. So this is obviously a really simplified example. So now if I, for example, these are all the features I have. So if I go to configure feature here, you can see I have 4 of them, and only 2 of my configurations actually have them, and these 2 don't. So it's really just practice and getting to like more efficient with your configurations. So yeah, thank you guys.